Gold has finally achieved $1,800 levels and silver went close to 2280. When I asked you yesterday to buy gold at 1780 and silver at 2240.60, I hope you all profited with those trades. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels and do press the bell icon as the next update on gold will be released before the US cash session. Now these are the hourly. Let's start. First, look into the hourly charts for gold. You'll find that it has created a wall here at 1805 levels, and since then it is slightly consolidated. Now it has given couple of breakout candles. I'll wait for gold to breach past 1805. Certainly beyond that, more bullishness can be. On the downside, if it continues to drop below 1793.5, you can expect a little more drop till towards 1785 level. So I'll wait for it to breach past 1793.5. Then you can expect 1784.85 and then this zone completely till 1775. This is going to be an important support zone. It may try to attempt and achieve this once before it tries to fly again on the upside or downside. Either which ways, it may try to come back to this zone sooner or later. If not today, possibly by next week we may see it hitting once in this zone. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic has come back to oversold levels. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent. This is bearish. This is just 2 candles away, and potentially we may see few more candles which might take it further down. RSI is also trading near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts too, it is, see this wall there. After this is given a breakout first red candle. We can see series of red candles. It may try to bring it a little down till towards 1793.5, 1790, 1785. These are going to be the support levels, and then these levels in between 75.80, as we have seen in the hourly charts also 75.80. This is the maximum support zone till the time gold trades above 1775 for the week and for next week also. Possibly we may see it trading bullish. Directional movement is moderately bullish. It is trying to converge here. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. See, this crossover is trying to happen at a high here. Potentially we may see it dropping a bit. RSI is also overbought and hence a little cooling is required. Likewise with the 3-hour chart, same formation, and first candle potentially it can show you a couple of red candles. This zone is going to be important, 1775, 1780. Till the time gold trades above 1775, do not consider this as bearish. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is trading overbought, looking downwards from here. The MACD is bullish here, trying to converge here. RSI is overbought. So most of the indicators in the near time frames are trading overbought, and hence potentially we may see little more drop. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Same formation, breakout, first, second, 1793.5, 1790.85, and then 80 and 75. These are the support levels on the downside. Yes, till 1805, do not buy gold now. Directional movement, bullish. Stochastic, overbought. MACD, extremely bullish, divergent. It may converge. RSI, overbought here. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, see gold is trading outside the Bollinger Bands here. Now it does mean that it may get a pullback on the downside. So probably till the time gold trades below 1805, this is very clear that we are not going to buy gold. But yes, remember, it can create a tail and then fly on the upside. If it is bullish, it may break 1805 and sustain the bullish momentum. Now why possibly there could be a drop? See, rise, retracement, consolidation, higher highs. This is a breakout here, and now again trying to come back a little down. If you look at the movement of gold, you will find that potentially it may try to pull back a little, but as I said, do not consider this bearish till 1780, 1775 zone, and in fact this may try to erase the gains if it completely erases the gains, because today is also the data from US regarding the non-farm payrolls, and the NFP data might bring little volatility in gold also, where we may see it consolidating a bit. So you have to be cautious, and till the time it trades below 1805, one can remain one should not buy, and below 1793.5 you can sell, but then expect 1790, 85, 80, 75. Till there are support levels available, hence you have to be cautious. Below 75 only it is going to remain bearish. So in between 1793.5 and 1805, do not trade. This is the level for gold today. Trade accordingly and wait for the next analysis before the US cash session. Now let's have a look at silver. Likewise, silver now trading above the support resistance, or now the support at 2260. 2260 is going to be a good support, and below 2260 we again know 2250, 2240. 2240 is the next major support levels. Right now what we have seen, rise, retracement, this movement is complete. Now it is again trying to reverse. So yes, once you see it trading above 2280, you can buy silver again. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch starting first week of January. Book your seats now, only limited seats are available. Also be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at the directional movement, moderately bullish. The stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over. This indicates to be slightly bearish here, but we have to be careful and be observant here. RSI trading near to the overbought levels. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, it has shown a reversal here. After a rise, it has shown a reversal here. This is second red candle. Potentially, once it drops below 2260, you can sell for 2250, 40. It can drop till towards 2240, which is now going to be a major support. You have to wait till there, and below that 2220 levels will come into picture. So it is certainly shown a reversal on the 2-hour charts and trading with a slightly bearish bias. At the same time, above 2280 you can buy silver there. Directional movement moderately bullish. The stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is also trading near to overbought levels. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is potentially trying to create a symmetry of what we had seen earlier. Yes, we may see either higher lows, and it may try to confine its movement between these levels, and hence you can sell at 2260, but then expect 2250 first support, 2240 next support, and then 2230, 2220 levels. 2220 is going to be a major support. At the same time, same buying levels at 2280. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish and trying to converge. RSI is also trading overbought. So most of the indicators are trading overbought slightly. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Same, a wall is there at 2280. Couple of red candles. Probably the next candle, if it breaches beyond 2280, certainly more bullish momentum can be expected. So if it is bullish, it will break out. At the same time, below 2260, you can expect 2250 as a major support. 40, 20, 30, 20 levels should be seen as the support levels on the downside. Keep booking your profits and keep re-entering. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD bullish and divergent. RSI overbought here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily. On the daily charts, after consolidating for a while, silver has given a breakout. But see these 3 candles. The yesterday's candle indicates that the bulls are not very much there. Smaller body and a smaller tail. Now it is trying to pull back again. Also, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence a pullback can be expected, where you may see it retracing a bit. And 2240, 2220 levels on the downside, definitely going to be a good support. And then $22 should be seen. On the upside, beyond 2280, you can expect $23. And then beyond that, you can expect further rise for 2325 and 2350 levels. So take your positions accordingly. See, still it is directional movement is bullish. It is overbought. Yes, stochastic. The MACD has just crossed over. This is divergent. This is bullish. It may take time for it to cross over for a sell, unless and until you get a sharp bearish breaking candle. Till the time, it can potentially remain bullish only. And hence, for some time, till the time silver trades about $22, you can remain bullish, as we have seen earlier in my weekly analysis that 22, beyond 22, it is definitely going to hit 24 levels possible. But we'll be observant, we'll be watchful, and we'll take the entries at the right time. So take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.